You can do so much with leftovers. It's so exciting. I thought I would do something with moussaka. I'm going to take this lovely top off, which is a sort of souffled bechamel. Now I'm going to remove the aubergine. You call it eggplants in America. I'm going to scrape off the meat. Now I made this moussaka with beef. You can do it with beef or lamb. I'm going to take this potato and chop that in with the bechamel. It's like dissecting, isn't it? I'm actually really enjoying this. Now, what I'm going to do is take this and whisk it together. I put a little bit of butter in there just to make it moist. Great thing done. Just pop this on a really low heat. Right, so what I'm doing here is I'm making two little pies. I'm going to now cut some of this aubergine, push it down so it's level with the tart itself. You're going to take this delicious meat, you're going to pop it on top, flatten it off. It's lovely and flat, so you've got your aubergine on the outside, you've got your mixture on the inside. I'm now going to take my potato and my roux, and I'm going to put it into a piping bag. Oh, it's not coming out. Come out. Oh! Oh, it's just burst. Try a second time. I hope this doesn't have to happen again with these bags. I really do. Oh no! Oh dear. Oh dear. This happens at home, doesn't it? But never mind. We're just going to spread it on. Make sure you cover everything. It's actually quite satisfying. Okay, 2 pies in the oven. Done. A little tip. It's always better to actually put a little bit of sauce on first. Now I'm going to take this one, lift it up on the sauce. I want to just make it look a little bit prettier. Delicious leftover moussaka pie. Use your leftovers when you can, because I tell you, you could produce the most wonderful, wonderful food. And I'm going to make 4 more now.
Yay! Brava, brava, beautiful, Rosemary. You know, I just love the way our team put together your energy into that, and how accessible and fun you made that for home cooks. It reminds me of watching some of my favorite segments from over decades of my life. I'm in my 50s, and it reminds me of the joy that I get from watching Julia Child or Jacques Pepin, having you say, well, that happens to every cook, doesn't it? And when the bag busts, well, we'll just spoon it on there. That you just get in there and have fun and play with it, and that you have such joy in the kitchen.